Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add a payment method on Shopify without needing an LLC or registered business. If you have a small business and lack a registered business name or ID, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify store. Once you're on your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the bottom left and click on Settings, then select Payments. The options you see here may vary depending on your country. For instance, if you're in the United States, some states allow the use of Shopify Payments, a unique payment provider owned by Shopify. If Shopify Payments is available in your country, you can activate it without providing business information, just your personal details. In cases where Shopify Payments isn't available, Stripe is a great alternative if it's supported in your country. To check if Stripe is available, search for "Is Stripe available in your country?" For example, is Stripe available in Spain? If Stripe is supported, you can connect it to your Shopify store. Simply search for Stripe under Choose a Provider, create a Stripe account, enter your email and password, and link it to Shopify. If Stripe is also unavailable in your country, there are other options. You can search for payment providers that operate on Shopify without a registered business by including your country in the search. For example, look for payment providers in Spain for Shopify without a registered business. Additionally, you can activate PayPal by upgrading your account from personal to business and then linking it to Shopify. PayPal is a widely accepted payment provider that can be easily integrated into your store. If you have questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment with your country, and I'll help you find a suitable payment provider. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.